This tutorial video will walk you through the steps of placing a hold for a patron on the staff client. From this main page, we could easily search the catalog for the item the patron would like to place on hold. This is one way that you have the ability to place a hold for a patron. Using that top search bar, we can search the catalog for a keyword or multiple keywords. And if they were looking for this cookbook, Half-Baked Harvest, I have the ability to easily go right to holds from the brief results. However, if I'm not sure if this is exactly what they're looking for, I can click into the title, and there's a couple of ways from this screen. There is a place hold button here, as well as there is a hold button over here on the left. Both will bring me to that same page that would allow me to start typing in the name of the patron, or I could scan their card number. Here I have some options that I can put on this hold for a patron. I do have a note field that I could add notes to this hold. If I was a multi-branch system, I can change where the item is going to be picked up at. I can put an expiration date on when this hold is no longer needed by the patron. And then more specifically, I can choose to place a hold on the next available item, which is the default, or I could choose a specific copy if your circulation and fine rules allow that to be set. If this was volume 1, 2, 3, and the patron specifically wanted a volume 2. Once I place the hold here, I get a brief summary of what I just performed. I can see the patron's name, where they are in the list of holds, when the hold was placed, where the hold will be picked up, and any details, next available, or if I had picked a specific copy, that specific copy number. Another way I can place a hold for an item, so let's pull up another patron, is if I am on the patron screen here, I can easily choose search to hold up at the top here. Clicking this, I will get the same sort of search. I would be asked to place a keyword search, a title search. I get those brief results again. I still have that option to go right to the holds, but since I started in the patron itself, I actually have it defaulted to be able to go ahead and click place hold for this patron, and I don't have to go through that step of adding a patron name. Same options, and then I can place a hold. So those are two ways that you can place a hold for a patron from the staff client.